This is a teardown of a Cisco ASA 5510. I have previously tore down a 5520, so I don't really expect there to be too much of a difference between this and that. But I thought for the sake of taking it apart, I'd just make a video. So we'll see what's inside. I feel like rewatching the 5520 video to see what it's like, but if I remember right, this has a socket 470 Pentium 4 in it. And I am selling parts out of this, I believe. Or I will be if I'm not, as of this video going live. I believe I'll have some rack gears for sale, fans, power supply, and probably the back blinking plate if I already have a listing up for it. Otherwise, the rest is basically just scrap. I'm not even sure why I've been running firewall this old still, but you never know. Yeah, this looks about the same as I remember for the 5520 though. That's interesting. I don't think that was from me. That's not fully seated. I wonder if this had issues before they got rid of it. This did have 1 gig of memory. And it's ECC DDR. With, yeah, I can't focus because I'm in wide angle. There we go. Some Samsung chips. Try to zoom back out without breaking the camera. And let's think here. What do I need? A little riser card for the CF card, which is soldered to the board standoff. See a bunch of Intel chips in here. I will take a closer look at that once I get everything freed. Really, the only thing I foresee failing in something like this would be the fans or the power supply. See what this CPU is. It's weird. It has the nasty black aluminum whatever sheet they use for thermal transfer. It looks like they added some goop to it as well. So will this come out in one piece? Got stuff in my way. Hung up on something here. There we go. Ouch, that hurts. I just jammed those into my thumb. So here's a CF card sitting on a riser board. It's actually dual CF cards. Got the internal one and a user serviceable one. Comes with a 256 megabyte CF card. And I'm gonna pop off this chipset heatsink here. Yep, that's a bummer. Nothing to see on that chip. What do we get for a processor in this one? 1.6 gigahertz Celeron with 128 128K of L2 cache, 400 megahertz frontside bus, SL7EZ. I'm going to zoom back in. Wide angle can't focus to save its life. And then, yeah, just your usual Intel chipset stuff, Intel network controllers, some other intermediary chips that do who knows what, because I'm not going to look them up. Get the right angle at least if you want to look that up. Cadmium networks. So that's probably something firewall related, because it seems like a lot of the firewalls I tear apart have the cadmium chips in them. Obviously got a bunch of power delivery stuff here from where power supply plugs in. This did have the capability potentially of, looks like 4 memory slots. Look at the back side. Yeah, I think 4 memory slots total would be the max. Nothing to see on the bottom, mostly passives. Got a little chip here. Let's see, what are you associated with? I don't know. Focus. Yeah, that's as good as gets. And then their weird proprietary port for their add-in cards. Although it might not be proprietary, it might be off the shelf. Oh, that's interesting. Another Intel chip there. See if I can get it readable. But yeah, that's pretty much all there is to see there. Nothing special about power supply, just a Delta branded 190 watt power supply. Not even sure how it's mounted. There's some screws in the bottom. Oops, 2 screws in the bottom there holding it in, stopping me from sliding it out. And of course it's zip tied to the front fans, so can't take it completely out. But yeah, I don't know. Hopefully that was interesting, and thanks for watching.